My name is Master Flex. Hashtag Master Flex. Rampage sound on everything.
Niggas quit when they rush now. Never live up to the top now. I'm on a new level. I'm on a new level. I'm on a new level. Where we going? Where we going, Carnival? Where we going? Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. Louder.
Mike Anthony. Big up Richard P. I see you, brother. If you're enjoying yourself, let me Carnival make some noise!
I said nothing can stop me. What you want, short, what you need. Next one game, we ain't never leave. Counting up money, we ain't never sleep. You got V12, I'm a 12, please. Charles got weed, got my. I'm all the way. Shorty, what you want, I got what you need. Shorty, what you want, I got what you need. Shorty, what you want, I got what you need. I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up, bounce. I'm all the way up. Yeah.
Hold on! Davey Diamond, Rampage, big up yourself. We've been playing the US music, let's go back to the UK. If you bought the Landlord album, put your Landlord, your feet! Put your hands up! Everybody now! Let me hear you say,
Cleaning now. 9 gloves and a man of ops. And I do it and I'm up. City, the man of tough. Man of cough. I'm standing with the blocks now. Straight, shot, man of ops. Sword is stone. From a lot. Hammer in the hand of crazy tonight, crazy tonight. Shot. She likes to hold my hand a lot. On the top, and my man I was. And the digital and the low.
yo, bitch, come on, come on!
Come on, got these bitches on laptop. Come on, got these bitches on laptop. Come me in the house and then they like shit. I didn't put the rock on the road like this. Got these bitches on this. Come on, got these bitches on laptop. Come me in the house and then I didn't want to know my Stephanie, Beverly and Baltimore. Got that loud pack. Rampage sound rolling. Streaming live to the world. Then I got the pussy on lockdown. Driving down my wheelie in my so I make you look so but I want that pussy quite a lot. That's right. Great. Definitely nothing making me energy. Belly. Them I got these bitches on lock though. What though? Them I got these bitches on lock though. What though? Turn me in the house, I'm in the lock.